I'm looking at these birds and they're enjoying the food that I put out this morning. But I don't know, is it me or I don't know a lot about birds, but they're kind of plump. Kind of plump looking. So I hope I'm not like overfeeding them but I just figure it's, winter time. So give them a little. Yeah, that one right there is kind of, who knows? She might be pregnant. I don't know. I just don't know. But I sure enjoy looking at them. Yeah, that one's taking full advantage of the buffet for sure. Can I help you, Roxy? Oh, you want to go outside, huh? You were fine until Andy comes up here and starts looking at her birds. Can you give me just a minute? Well, from this angle. No, that's a big bird. I mean, the other ones flew away. That one's going, what? What do you want? Let's see what happens. Hang on, Roxy. Yep.